You look at yourself in the mirror and you are not happy. You feel frail. You feel weak. You wish you could have that movie star body, an aesthetic physique that will impress everyone around you, but you do not know how to get it. You feel lost. What you don't realize is that everyone that has an amazing physique was once in your shoes. They were also frail and weak to begin with. They did not achieve that amazing physique overnight. It took years of dedication, hard work, trials and tribulations. They were once in your shoes, and if they can do it, so can you. If you follow these 4 very simple steps, you will be well on your way to achieving that godlike physique that you so desire. Tip number 1. Understand what type of training to do. I see so many people when they first enter the gym, pick up the heaviest weight they can on the bench press and do 4 sets of 5 with terrible technique, lifting as much as possible, shaking more than a vibrator. And this, guys, is not optimal for an aesthetic physique. This is almost a powerlifting style of training. And yes, if you are a powerlifter, great, you keep doing that. But for someone building an aesthetic physique, this is not optimal and not what you want to be doing. What you want to be doing is 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps. Now you're probably asking me, Pablo, why would I do 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps? Don't worry, I'll explain. This rep range optimizes muscle growth because you are in the hypertrophy rep range. You'll get more muscle fiber activation, you'll have more time under tension, and there are other things as well, but I could do a whole video on it. But basically, this will trigger muscle growth in your body. So stick to these rep ranges. Number 2, work on the right muscles. You then need to look at what muscles you need to grow. You will be looking at this video thinking to yourself, but I don't know what muscles make a man look aesthetic. Don't worry, I've got you. So what you guys want to be doing is developing a V-taper shape. Now, what is this? This is where a narrower waist relative to your shoulders contributes to a more visually appealing appearance. Just like the hourglass figure on a girl is attractive to us men, the V-taper shape on a man is attractive for most women. Obviously, we can't say 100% of women, but let's just say 90 to 80% of women. What muscles do you have to work on to achieve this V-taper physique? The first thing you need to work on is your shoulders, specifically your side delts. This will increase the width of the top half of your body and make your waist seem much smaller. You do this through exercises like lat raises, shoulder presses. You can search them up. Just search workout for your shoulders. It's really simple. Number 2, your lats. Now these are situated kind of underneath your armpit. I'll put a picture up for you guys, but this is specifically what gives you the V shape that you want to achieve. Number 3, your upper chest. A lot of people I see go in the gym do flat bench, flat bench, flat bench, and then you end up having a droopy chest. You want to be working the top of your chest, this part right here. Gaining muscle on the upper half of your chest really contributes to making your shoulders and upper frame look much wider. So that will contribute to having an aesthetic physique. And number 4, you need to work on your abs, because who the fuck doesn't want abs? Everyone loves abs. You need to eat clean and you need to eat a lot. So you see these guys dirty bulking and saying, look at me, I'm bulking, I'm eating KFC, I'm eating McDonald's, and I'm putting on a load of weight. It's a load of rubbish. The reasons why clean bulking is better is because 1, you'll look much more healthy. 2, you'll have a lot more energy, which means 3, you'll be able to get in the gym much more easily, which means 4thly, you will follow your workout plan. People that eat unhealthy will have low motivation, be tired, and then might skip a day or 2. So clean bulking all the way. And 4thly, my last point is to trust the process and be patient. I see so many videos where it's like, this transformation took me 2 months, this took me a month, this took me a week, look at me, after a week I look fucking jacked. It's a load of bullshit, okay? Good things usually take time, okay? Usually if you get instant gratification from something, it's not good for you, okay? So building an aesthetic physique takes hard work. It takes dedication. It takes going to the gym when you don't feel like it. The progress month to month for someone natural, not on steroids, is genuinely slow. I could lie to you right now and say, yeah, follow these tips, it's going to be super quick, super easy. It's not, okay? It takes time. You need to keep in mind that even though it does take time, it is well worth it. You don't only gain muscle month to month, you also gain discipline. You deal with failure, you deal with struggle. And these things can really improve and translate into other aspects of your life. Don't think just about the muscle, but think of the lessons that you can learn from going to the gym. And another bonus is if you are in a good gym, you will meet so many like-minded people that will help you on your journey and motivate you when you need motivation. And these people can end up being friends for life. So being in the gym and surrounded by people working hard is always a good thing, because I do believe you are the sum of your 5 friends. And if you are around people working hard, you will work hard yourself. So these are the 4 tips I have for going from skinny to jacked or slash aesthetic. I hope you guys like this video. It's my first video on this channel. A lot of the time I go on YouTube and I see these self-help gurus giving bullshit advice and preying on people who are vulnerable. And I do not want this to be one of those channels. I genuinely want this to be a hub for people to come to where they can get good advice, realistic advice. I'm not going to say I can make you a billionaire. I'm not going to say I can get you from skinny to jacked in a week. But I want to give solid, good advice that can improve your life. I want this to be a place for young men to come to who have questions and need answers. And hopefully I can provide those answers for you. Realistic answers that aren't bullshit, that are the reality of the world we live in. So like and subscribe. I'll try and do 1 to 2 videos a week. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the first video.